Yes, let's take a quick look on how we can do the spring twist very neat.
Hey Zipa, the crochet master. Shit.
It's so light as a tango on the head. Easy to me.
Oh yes, we have started with the happiness because everyone likes spring twist, and I would like to shout out to my friends who are watching right now to our YouTube channel. You're doing a great job, and I'll make sure that I give you all that you need. And please, if you have any question that you would like to ask, you can leave a comment down there. And I had a previous video showing you how you can do the Afro spring, so let's take a look on how we're doing these spring twists. Trust me, you're going to learn something and most of my tricks on how to do the spring twist. Yes, shout out to my friends, my friend in New York, UK. As I have a friend in Senegal, my friend is in Tanzania, Kenya, and Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. All of you guys, I love you so much. And someone who is watching right now in Abu Dhabi. Yes, guys, you're doing a great job. So as usual, we always do the our cornrows, putting them behind, like we call them swaz. That we do them going behind. So for you can choose to do it puff. That one's also okay. And as usual, spring twist, we use it with a soft kinky, as you can see. And I'm going to be showing you how I do my spring twist look neat and long. Yeah, so I do them and they look very straight. Yes, so these are some of my tricks that I always use on how you can do them to look this neat. So first, with my soft kinky, a crochet hook, and some little oil. Any hair food that you have, you can use it when doing this spring twist. So I want you to follow me each step by step, and I promise you that you're going to learn something. And please remember, we are in the quarantine, we're not at the salon, so everything you're saying, that's how it's going to be. But the only thing we can do, let's just learn some tricks here. Yes, so as usual, when I'm crocheting, you see how I do. I didn't lock anything, I just crocheted the way you're saying. It looks that it looks like that. So I don't lock it because if it's all the same, if you can lock or you can't, you can choose not lock. So the only thing is, when you lock and you have time, you can always remove them. You can remove them and redo them. But this way, the one plating, you can't redo them, you just have to throw them. So this is how I keep on doing my spring twist. So you have to watch them.
Ever available. I know you like hair, so come get the zipper curl. The zipper curl, 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 the zipper curl. Ever available. I know you like hair, so come get the zipper curl. The zipper curl, 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 the zipper curl.
Oh yes. You can see how building up my spring twist, like from down. So I'm going to show you how you can hook, the software of hooking, and someone won't feel pain when you're hooking, when you're trying to crochet. That's the good explanation that I can tell you, like the way you can try to crochet. So I'm going to show you how I crochet, and you don't feel that pain, like the two hands that I always use. So when I get my hole, like you can see,
The zipper curl, 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 the zipper curl.
like when I crochet it. In fact, let me try to show you here in front. It's when you'll see it very well, so that you see how I crochet without feeling pain at all. So this is the thing I do, like I crochet this way, you see. With this thing, I don't remove it. I remove it after I remove it when I'm going to crochet, but always when the crochet is not yet there, I don't remove it at all. So this is how you can also do your spring twists, and they look very, very neat, trust me. You see, so you have to be with the oil. This one I'm just using any hair food. You can have any hair food, and you just use it. So try to look here very careful. You see, it doesn't matter on how you crochet. You see, I don't remove that big thing of mine, the thumbnail. I think that's how I should call it. So I don't always remove it, like when I'm crocheting. So that one helps me, like for my client not to pain. Like I don't pain someone when I'm crocheting. So I think you can also use that trick, because it is very nice. The twisting remains the same. The twisting remains the same, trust me. You don't have to do anything. The twisting just remains the same. See how I'm building my spring twist. You see, you haven't trimmed down, but I'll trim after. So still look here very careful. I pass my hook that way, and I put my big finger, you see. Then after passing is when I remove it. So there, trust me, there's no pain that you can feel as long as that finger is there. So you should also try it out when you're doing all the crochet that you're trying to do. It will help you a lot, and because at times that those people who crochet when you feel like it is too painful, trust me. But when you use that finger, it becomes very easier for you. So please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and we keep on doing this together. And thank you so much for all those ones who have been following my spring twist, and just watch the end and see the outcome. I sign out, and by the names of Maurice, the Crochet Master, and please don't forget to subscribe. Hair Zipper, we love you, and see you on my next video.
Ever available. I know you like hair, so come get the zipper curl, 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 the zipper curl. Hair, so come get the zipper curl, 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 the zipper curl.
Hey Zipa, the crochet master. Shit.
It's so light as a tongue on the head. Easy to maintain.